Okay, this is the walkthrough episode. I'll start on the outside. Clearly we're travelling in a 1977 classic Adelma caravan. They were made in Adelaide by the Coppola brothers, and we have kept her as true to original as possible while adding a few comforts of the 21st century. So just quickly going around the outside, she's pretty well appointed. Standard sort of windows, power outlet, some tunnel boots to put bits and pieces in, tyre on the back. She's got 240 power, water, more lockers. We've added the fans that we've seen other people use to keep the fridge going and improve the coolness. And
independent suspension.
She has independent suspension, and she's gas 240 and 12 volt, and we can plug in the water when we're in the right places, as well as we've got onboard water. So all of the major requirements. She also has hydraulic feet, which is a step up for us from winding down the feet on our 1946 caravan, which was our previous travelling rig. So I'll go inside now. Okay, stepping inside. The Adelma caravan is beautifully appointed and sort of divided into 3 zones. So at the front we have the kitchen. Over here is our little gas stove, original, works beautifully. We've baked some things, we've cooked a lot on the top. Pot drawer down below. And the Adelmas are well known for having loads of cupboards, so we've got loads and loads of cupboards. We've got our map of Australia. This cupboard used to contain a small air conditioner that was sort of specially made for these vans back in the 70s, but it was impossible to obtain one. So we've turned that into a cupboard, a pantry cupboard. It's very handy actually. And we still have the original gas electric Electrolux fridge, which works a treat, even though it was sitting for quite a while without use. Once we had a few trips and joggled the chemicals around inside, it worked a treat. Then the next zone, if you like, is the sitting zone. So it's got a lovely banquette area. The table flips or spins, making it very easy to get in and sit down and around. And we absolutely love that feature. Obviously this could drop down to another bed. We don't need that. More cupboards, and as you'll see there's just cupboards everywhere. Then the final zone, of course, is the bedroom, and you'll notice it has 2 single beds for a couple of old codgers like us. That's really helpful and handy and easy. They're easy to make because they're not so heavy, and they're comfortable. I tend to sleep back to front because I don't like my head up in the corner, being a little bit of a claustrophobe. Yeah, there's more cupboards. We use that one for a medicine cupboard. We've got, just move around, pretty much a full wardrobe with lots of things hanging in it, and more drawers below. We have, you may have noticed some little vents here. We have installed the Cool J underbunk air conditioner, and it's been a lifesaver on this trip. We just love it. It's heats and cools. We have used the heater once or twice when we were a bit further south, and expect to do so in the future. Mostly we've been using the air conditioner up here in the north. Okay, so that's it for our walkthrough.